The king was astonished as well as pleased. He is indeed very wise, he thought to himself. I need people like him to work for me. And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. Although he rose to power and dignity, the shepherd remained as humble as ever. People loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. He was kind and just to one and all. His fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country. So the king appointed this humble shepherd as a governor of a small district, and because the king thought himself this kind of people, this kind of honest people should work for me, so he uh, appointed this humble shepherd as a governor. But after appointed as a governor, the shepherd remained as humble as ever, like before. He was honest like before. He was never changed. So people loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness, his good nature, his helping nature. People honored him. So his fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country, all over the country. He became soon very famous. Now the governors of other provinces grew terribly jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. They said he is very dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money that he collects as tax from the people. Why did he always carry with him? They added an iron chest. Iron chest means iron box, an iron box. Perhaps he carried in it the treasure that he had secretly collected. After all, they said mockingly, he was an ordinary shepherd and could behave no better. Provinces means state. Like in our country, MP, UP, Bihar, these are the states of our country. So same like in in Iran also, there was the states, and each states had their own governor. So the governor of other states developed jealousy for him, and they started mockingly means joke करना, मजाक करना, और they spread the rumor against the shepherd. What they spread? They spread the shepherd is now became dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money which he collects as a tax from the people. He keeps for himself, and he always carried with him the iron chest, the iron box which he always carried with him. Perhaps he carried in it the treasure. Treasure means खजाना that he had secretly collected. यानी जो शेफर्ड है उसने खजाना सीक्रेटली कलेक्ट कर लिया है और उस आयरन चेस्ट में वह रखता है संभाल कर, इसीलिए तो वो ऑलवेज अपने साथ ही उसको रखता है. ही ऑलवेज कैरी विथ हिम. लेट अस गो फॉर द At first, the king did not pay attention to these reports. But how long could he ignore these governors and their endless stories about the shepherd? One thing was certain, the king discovered. The new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time. Discovered means found. So firstly, the king ignored the reports of the other governors, but how long he could ignore? So one day the governor thought that he should found he should found the new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time. So one day the governor was summoned to the palace. So one day the king called all the governors in the palace. He came riding on his camel, and to everyone's delight, the famous iron chest was there, fastened securely behind him on the camel's back. Now everybody, every governor was delight, every governor was very happy to see that the iron chest was there with him. And so all the governors